Okay, good afternoon to everybody. Now let us discuss about the what is meant by Tyndall effect. That means when a strong beam of light is passed through a true solution, that means true solution means when sugar is added to water. For example, sugar is added to water, it completely form true solution. It cannot be seen unless the eye is placed in the path of the beam. That means no scattering occurs in the case of true solutions. No scattering of light occurred in the case of true solution. That means there is no Tyndall effect observed in true solution. But however, when the same beam of light is passed through a shawl like soap water, the path of light becomes visible with a bluish light. This phenomenon is called Tyndall effect. That means this phenomenon is due to the scattering of light from the surface of colloidal particles. That means Tyndall effect is an optical property. The phenomenon of the scattering of light by the colloidal particles is called Tyndall effect. And the illuminated beam formed by the scattering of light by the colloidal particles is referred to as Tyndall cone. Is referred to as Tyndall cone. See the diagram. Colloidal particles scattering the light radiation. Therefore, we observe the Tyndall effect. We observe the Tyndall effect. The illuminated beam, that means the illuminated beam formed by the colloidal particles, formed by the scattering of light by the colloidal particles, that is referred to as Tyndall beam. That means colloidal particles are too small to be seen with naked eye. They scatter light and become visible as bright spots. These bright spots are called Tyndall cone or discs of light against the black background when viewed through an ultra microscope. This phenomenon is called Tyndall effect. Examples for Tyndall effect. Examples for Tyndall effect. That means blue appearance of sky, blue appearance of sky and sea water. Blue appearance of sky and blue water is due to scattering of light. Scattering of light. This phenomenon is called Tyndall effect. That means scattering of light is a phenomenon that causes the sky appears blue. Fine dust in the earth atmosphere scatters the sunlight. Fine dust in the atmosphere scatters the sunlight. Out of all the colors present in the sunlight, blue color is scattered most because blue color have high energy and high energy and high frequency. Therefore, blue color scattered more. Therefore, the sky appears blue in color, and also seawater appears blue in color because the electrolytes dissolved in water. That is the electrolytes. That means calcium plus magnesium 2 plus potassium, sodium plus and dust particles present in the water scatter the light from the sun source. Therefore, blue blue color appeared in sea water. Therefore, sea water appeared blue in color. This is the another phenomenon of Tyndall effect. This is also one example for Tyndall effect. This is also example for Tyndall effect. And also, when a when a small ray of sunlight enters into a dark room, we are able to see dust particles in the air. We are able to see dust particles in the sea. This is due to Tyndall effect. It is because ray of sunlight are reflected off the surface of these dust particles and move in different directions. This is also due to Tyndall effect. That means when a small ray of sunlight enters a dark room, we are able to see dust particles in the air. This is due to Tyndall effect. Again, Tyndall effect can be observed during the projection of picture in the cinema hall. This is due to this is another example for Tyndall effect. Okay, see the diagram. That means the scattering of colloidal particles, the phenomenon of the scattering of light by the colloidal particles, that is called Tyndall effect. The illuminated beam formed by the scattering of light by the colloidal particles is referred to as Tyndall cone. All these are examples for Tyndall effect. Examples for Tyndall effects are blue appearance of sky and seawater. Tyndall effect can be observed during the projection of picture in the cinema hall, and also dark room we observe Tyndall effect. Okay, thank you.